Welcome back to our special campaign, Vaccinate India, in partnership with Google. We're discussing questions you may have about the coronavirus vaccine. Dr. M. Wali, Senior Physician, RML Hospital, joins us. Thanks very much, Dr. Wali, for being with us. I want to begin by asking you about immunity after the coronavirus vaccine. How long does it typically take for your body to develop immunity after you've been vaccinated?
You know, Rishika, when we introduce a vaccine, it triggers the immune system of the body. And basically, we want to produce immunity against the spike protein or the components of the virus. The immune system senses the foreign protein, it starts working on it and tries to compete with it. It's a fight in the body which takes roughly 2 weeks to complete, and the body wins over the stimulus and body prepares for the next attack of the similar type of organism which has the same type of protein which has been injected into body in the vaccine. So roughly 2 weeks after, the vaccine starts working, or we can say it is effective.
Right. And what about immunity after a single dose? How much level of protection do you have after a single dose?
Well, level of protections vary in individuals, and single dose is never enough. So, whatever immunity we have found out in studies, it's quite low. It's around, we can say, 1/3 of what we require, 30%. But for the immunity to complete, either we have to suffer from the attack of the coronavirus, that the coronavirus should produce these, or in case of vaccines, we should have 2 vaccines at appropriate interval. Only then the body can have enough immunity to fight the fresh infection. You have just now been talking about the breakthrough infection, the death of Maharashtra case, and so many things.
Yes.
We are studying new things out of these vaccinations in the group who have been vaccinated adequately or twice.
Right. And how long does vaccine immunity last? Are we any closer to answering questions regarding the duration of protection? Because a lot of countries are now giving a 3rd dose.
Quite right. Very interestingly, you know, again, the immune system of the body, it's not geometrical for me and you. It's not mathematical.
Yes.
The immunity survives for more than 6 months very nicely. We can say the natural immunity after we suffer from the coronavirus is roughly 8 to 9 months. And in this case of adequate, I'm using the word adequate vaccination, that means timely, carefully chosen at the appropriate interval, that would last in a very good quantity, about 6 to 7 months. And it's natural to talk. In fact, the smaller countries like Cambodia have started 3rd dose, booster dose. And studies are going on for a long time, like other diseases like influenza. Should we be needing the 3rd dose as a booster dose, and it's rightly called booster dose?
Right. I want to also ask you about mRNA vaccines and how do mRNA vaccines work. A lot of countries actually now considering giving mRNA vaccines as booster doses as well.
Yes, there are 2 ways we can understand it. That the pathway through which the first vaccine is acting should be left in the body to produce and to utilize that first vaccine's immunity. And the second, mRNA, is this vaccine produces immunity, which is slightly better, we can say, number 1. Number 2, this is the part of the, we can say, virus which is converted into mRNA, and this is a very good technology. In fact, previously, the vaccine and other vaccines were not made with this technology. So this is a newer technology, and they say it would be more lasting and more durable, and this utilizes different pathway of the cellular immune system in the body. So that's how it is a bit different.
Right. And, you know, does the mRNA COVID-19 vaccine actually prove to be better than some of the other technologies, or would that be an unfair comparison to make?
We can't say that today. You see, day by day, newer vaccines are being developed, and we are going to have another vaccine very soon, which will be a single-dose vaccine, and that is produced in India also in the next year. Gradually, we are developing better vaccines, and we are heading towards a pan-virus vaccine that would cover all the variants. And that's the future of the vaccine in COVID-19.
Well, thanks very much, Dr. Wali, for sparing your time and being with us.
Thank you.